Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at advanced markets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Advanced Markets Group was founded in 2006 in the United States of America and is the parent company of the Advanced Markets brands and brokers. The brokers that operate under Advanced Markets Group are Advanced Markets UK, Advanced Markets Limited, and Advanced Markets Bermuda. Advanced Markets is collectively regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. This broker offers individual and institutional trading accounts and uses a 100% direct market access or DMA execution model. Advanced Markets Group has offices in Bermuda, London, the Cayman Islands, and Charlotte in the United States. You can trade a wide range of currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies with advanced markets. Institutional clients can trade all these instruments and also have the option of trading stocks. Advanced Markets offers commission-free trading on indices and spreads starting from as low as 0 pips on some instruments. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Advanced Markets, click on the Markets tab, or click on the Trading Solutions tab if you are an institutional client. There are 3 Advanced Markets websites, and each website can be viewed either as an individual client or an institutional client. In the top left corner of the screen, you can switch between the different sites, and the menu bars can be used to find information about the accounts, instruments, and trading conditions offered. On the homepage, you'll see the perks of trading with Advanced Markets with a comparison of the account types offered. Advanced Markets seems to be the only site that has an account comparison table, but all the other sites offer a similar layout. If you scroll all the way down, you will see information about regulations, the Advanced Markets Group company website, and links to social profiles. Advanced Markets offers multilingual support, and you can reach them via live chat or submit a web ticket from the website. You can also call them directly on the telephone number provided on the Contact Us page. This broker does not currently offer any trading bonuses. However, if you are interested in partnering with Advanced Markets, then you can receive generous commissions through the Introducing Broker program. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with Advanced Markets, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts. It is unclear whether Advanced Markets offers demo accounts for individual clients at this time. However, Muslim clients can open a swap-free account. No interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using swap-free accounts. If you'll be trading on one of the individual accounts, you can open an Advanced, Advanced Plus, or Raw Spread accounts. The Advanced and Advanced Plus accounts are commission-free. However, the Raw Spread account offers the tightest spreads. Minimum deposits start from $100 on the Advanced Plus account, $1,000 on the Advanced account, and $20,000 on the Raw Spread account. The maximum leverage allowed on the Advanced and Advanced Plus accounts is 1 to 400, and 1 to 200 on the Raw Spread account. If you need to use a swap-free account, you can use either the Advanced account or the Advanced Plus account. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Advanced Markets offers, click on the Trading tab. Advanced Markets also offers institutional services and white label solutions. However, we will only be focusing on products and services for individual clients in this review. Individual clients can only trade on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. However, institutional clients can also use MetaTrader 4 and Vortex 5. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and much more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different time frames to choose from. The MetaTrader platforms are currently the most popular and most reliable trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and can be downloaded for free. These platforms can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. You can find download links by opening an account with Advanced Markets and downloading these platforms directly from the client portal. Creating an account with Advanced Markets may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Advanced Markets homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then log in to the client portal. Once your account is approved, you can fund your account and start trading with Advanced Markets. Your account can be funded using MasterCard and Visa debit or credit cards, as well as Bitcoin payments. Advanced Markets offers institutional clients high-quality trading support, and you can contact the support team 24 hours a day. Institutional clients will also get access to advanced insights. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received numerous awards for their services, and some of their most recent awards include the Best White Label Solution, the Best ECN and Execution Venue, the Most Transparent Broker, the Best B2B Liquidity Provider, and the Best All-Round Liquidity Provider. Overall, if you are looking for personalized, award-winning institutional trading conditions and platforms, then we recommend opening an account on the FCA or ASIC websites. Advanced Markets Bermuda is the only broker under this company that can offer retail trading services to individual traders, and there are 3 types of retail trading accounts to choose from. It seems that Advanced Markets prioritizes professional and corporate clients, so we do not necessarily recommend this broker for beginners. However, if you are an experienced trader or looking for institutional trading conditions, then Advanced Markets is a great choice. And that is our overview of Advanced Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.